Hey Harley Davidson guys, I built myself a rack to store all my stuff, my tour pack and my windshield, backrest, all the stuff fits right in here. Harley Davidson has their version of this thing, which is about $260. I built mine for about probably under $35. I got this PEX that a plumber friend of mine was throwing away anyway, and I bought 10 feet of threaded rod, 3/8 threaded rod, and some nuts. Of course I used nylock nuts on the end, and just nuts and washers and all thread. Put these two pieces together. I bought one solid piece of this, I don't know if it's aluminum or stainless pegboard from Princess Auto up here in Canada. Cut it in half and then just kind of found the appropriate place to put the holes, drill the holes out to 3/8, put the threaded rod through and adjust your nuts accordingly so it's even, and away you go. So for under 30 bucks you got a place to store all your Harley gear. Your windshield just pops on there, your backrest hangs from its clamp, and so does the trunk. The trunk plugs into those two rods and the clamps clamp it, and it's on there. It's pretty solid. And this is a darn heavy trunk. I got stuff in it too. Anyway, really for under probably 35-40 bucks you can set yourself up pretty nicely. Just drill your holes in the appropriate places. If you guys need information on where to put the holes, I can help you with that. But having it made out of pegboard as well is kind of handy, because you can hang things from the side, and you don't have that option really with the other one that you would spend $260 on. Anyway, it's kind of a cool little project. I did it in about, I don't know, I fiddled around with it for probably about an hour and a half to get it all together and set up, and then just used wooden brackets to mount it to the wall, and away you go. All your stuff is nice and tidy and neat and out of the way. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this helps you. Take care. Thanks.